Hi loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, it's Melody. Thank you very much for stopping by to watch this video. Just in case you have not seen me before, hi, you're welcome to my channel. And for those of you who have subscribed already, who have been watching my videos, thank you very much. I love you guys so much. You know I do. So I already said in my last video that I'm launching a brand, a skincare brand, and I told you guys that like a million times. I said it like a million times, and I just want to keep sounding it. I just want to keep saying it because at the end of the day, like if I don't advertise it, who will? So that is why I'm bringing this out here on YouTube and letting you guys know that yes, my launch is really near. Happy New Month! Just in case I forgot to say that, Happy New Month to you guys. My launch is this month on the 12th, and I am just putting it out there like so much. I'm launching on the 12th, and I just wanted to show you guys. This is not a product review, but I just want to show you guys like what sort of products I'm going to be like bringing out in the first launch. So basically, I'm releasing some body scrubs, and I feel like I love scent, and I know that I've not really explored all of that on my channel ever, but I I love scent. And I haven't been a skincare person, like, so to say that you know I took my skin seriously, but then my skin started taking me seriously and it started misbehaving, and I was like, okay, what am I going to like use? Like, am I going to break the bank? Am I going to now start testing out products that I'll buy a whole container of a product and then it doesn't work for my skin? Or like, I know the kind of skin I have, and that is one thing that I feel like is a plus. I i have communicated with my skin. I know the kind of skin I like. My skin is not difficult to take care of, but then once it is ready to be taken care of, you have to take care of it. And that is why you know um I just decided that this is what I wanted to do. This was going to be a very lucrative business, like, definitely it's about the money. But then let's not get me wrong, my skin is also important to me. And then for these few, like, a few weeks or months, if I would say so, I've been testing out these products. And like I said in my previous videos, I give out products for others to actually test and then give me reviews. So I've been getting good reviews about the products, but I just wanted to show you guys like what the products, like some of the products. I just have one right now. I don't have all of it. The rest will just be on the review, but just you guys know that okay, I'm releasing a body scrub for this, this time that I want to launch. Like this first launch, I'm launching a body scrub, and then this product is the turmeric body scrub. As you guys can see, right? This is a turmeric body scrub. The consistency is perfect. I wouldn't even lie. And then the oils here are, and then I would like you guys to know what it smells like. It smells like turmeric, obviously. Like, why not? But then again, it smells like all of these beautiful scent that was put together, but it did not overshadow the scent of the turmeric. So if you know that you're someone who likes nature, it smells like out, like somehow, because it's like it smells woody, and then it has these fragrances that makes like blends it that blends into it softly. And I don't know how to explain it at this moment, but then when we start bringing out like fragrances, the top notes, the middle notes, the base notes, you guys are going to understand what I mean by that. But for now, I just wanted to let you guys know this is what one of the products is like. It is not in the package because you guys cannot be seeing the package before the product launches. So stay tuned for the package, okay? But then these are the formulas that I've been using. This is just something I put in together just to use, and then there are still others I'm still testing out and trying out, and you guys will definitely be updated when it all comes together nicely. So that aside, right, I already said in my last video that I'll be doing a giveaway. So guys, please, if you know that you want to participate in this giveaway, just keep up with my YouTube. Keep up with my YouTube. I'm still saying it. Keep up with my YouTube. I'm going to be giving away these body scrubs, and like I said, I've been saying it like in every one of my videos, right? These body scrubs or my skincare brand is not gender specific. It's not just for females, it's for everybody. It is for everybody. Just that I'm going to specify and let you know if this is safe for a baby skin, or this is safe for sensitive skin, or this is okay for, soft skin and all of that. That is going to be specified. But aside that, my brand is not gender specific. Okay, my brand is not age specific. It's not because, okay, I'm a young girl and then I use this product and then you feel like my skin is more susceptible to products and stuff. Then when you're older, no, no, I've given it to older people to test out too. So it's perfect. Don't worry. I've tried this test. Right, I've tried this test on sensitive skin, on older people, on young people, on non-sensitive skin. Like, I have done it all, and like I could see the improvement even on my own skin. It is amazing, and I just want to share it with you guys. And for those who will be winning my giveaway, congratulations in advance. But I'll be giving out, the tips on the giveaway as we go. So today is the 1st of June. Like I said, happy new month to all of you. Stay tuned to what I'm bringing up on the channel. And I love you guys very much. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And also, like this video, okay? Like the video, leave a comment, tell me you support me, let me know if you want to win one of my products, let me know if you can't wait for the giveaway, let me know if you can't wait for the launch. I'm looking forward to your comments, okay? Thank you very, very much for all your support. Thank you for your views, thank you for your subscriptions. I see you guys, I see the subscriptions coming up, I see the views coming up, like without any efforts. I see the views coming up, and I am amazed, and I'm also thankful and all that. So thank you very much, guys. And this video is not edited. It's not going to be edited like I already said in my other videos. But then I just hope that it does justice to the message I'm trying to pass on to you guys. Thank you very much for watching. I've said that 2,000 times. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye. See you in my next video, which will be tomorrow. Bye.